In this video, we are going to take a look at the Sephora affiliate program. We are going to take a look at how to get started, so like how to sign up, about how much commission you can earn from this affiliate program, the best ways to promote the products, and everything in between. So if you want to learn more about the Sephora affiliate program, be sure to watch this entire video so that you can learn how to make some money. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about this. As I mentioned, we're going to talk about the Sephora affiliate program. If you're not familiar with Sephora, you can see down the screen right now, Sephora.com. They sell makeup, hair care, beauty products of all sorts. And we're going to take a look at the best ways that you can promote it. We're going to talk about, right now, we're actually going to talk about how much you can earn and how to sign up. So what you can do is you can just simply Google Sephora affiliate program, and it'll take you to this website here. Actually, it'll take you to a landing page for Sephora, but you'll actually have to sign up with the Link Share Affiliate Network. An affiliate network is the middleman between the affiliate marketer, so us, and the actual affiliate program, so actually Sephora. You'll need to go ahead and sign up and get approved to join this affiliate program, and then once you're inside, you will have to sign up again to Sephora. Now, the cool thing with affiliate networks is that they're free. You can get paid from multiple businesses or multiple companies in one spot. You can find all of your affiliate links and marketing materials everywhere. So it's a streamlined approach. In the past, I wasn't a huge fan of it because I felt like it added an additional layer of complexity, but you know, what are you going to do? You have to use it or don't use it. So as you can see here, this is the sign up. The Sephora affiliate program will actually pay you a 5% commission on any products that you successfully promote. So people will have to click on your affiliate link, make a purchase, and you can actually earn 5%. So really cool. It's not terrible. It's not great. It's somewhere in between. There are lots of alternatives out there if you don't want to use Sephora, like Ulta and some other places like that. But let's go ahead and talk about how to promote these products. So what I like to do, and when I think about promoting products or you know, Sephora, I like to think about the smallest part of the funnel all the way up to the largest part. And the smallest part of the funnel for me is always going to be a review video. So what you could do is we're just going to grab these products that are on the front page here. Now, I'm not an expert when it comes to makeup, so I might mispronounce some things, but you can see here, this is an eyeshadow palette. What a lot of people do is they will just copy the name of the product. They're going to jump over to YouTube or TikTok, and I'll show you both. They will Google search. They'll look on Facebook groups. They'll look inside all over places, and they're basically looking for reviews. They're looking for first impressions. They want to see how this looks on different types of skin. So what you can do is just paste in the name of the product just like that. And I'm going to jump over to YouTube and do the exact same thing. Now, when I do this, you're going to see that people are looking up different reviews and tutorials, you know, first impressions, thoughts. But you can see here, just copying the product name and pasting it right into YouTube, this yields lots of results. 12,000 views from 14 hours ago. So somebody is doing this exact thing. First impressions, this is 12 hours ago. 21,000 views, 36,000 views. Now, the pushback is always going to be, these are huge channels. Yes, these are big channels, but they all started with zero. So you have to create the content in order to get the results. Now, if we look at this video was uploaded 4 hours ago, 11,000 subscribers. So this is a tiny channel and it has 450 views. So they're doing exactly what I'm telling you to do. They copy the name of the product just like this, and they paste it right into YouTube. If we look at TikTok, 3,000, almost 4,000 views, 147,000 views. So you can see 37,000 views. There are tons of views with these products. So they're just copying the name of the product and pasting it right into their favorite place to create content. So this is one way to go. This is the bottom of the funnel. And just to kind of illustrate what I'm talking about, I'm going to bring up a whiteboard here and just give you an idea. All right. So on my whiteboard here, once it comes in, I'm going to actually draw an inverted pyramid or a funnel. All right. And at the bottom of the funnel here are review videos. That's the type of videos that I just told you. Review, first impression. And the reason why this is the bottom of the funnel is because this is the smallest group of people They understand what the problem is, and they understand what the solution is. The solution for them is this eyeshadow. And so if you create content here, people want to confirm their suspicion. So if you create content here, you're closest to the money, and they want to confirm their suspicions. But people are also asking questions up at higher levels of the funnel. Here we could do something like alternatives. So if someone is close to buying this eyeshadow, but they aren't really sure it's for them, sometimes they're typing in alternatives. All right, so if we hit enter and I spelled alternatives wrong, that's okay. So you can see some people can create content here. Look at this. We just typed in alternatives, 600 views from a day ago, 2,000 subscribers. You can see there are lots of views here. But another option we can do is we can do something like best X for Y. Okay, so people could be coming over to Sephora here. Where is our website? Okay, so they could be coming to Sephora, and they're typing in something like best eyeshadow. So if we come back over here, we can type in best eyeshadow for. Now look at this. Best eyeshadow for brown eyes, blue eyes, green eyes, hazel, dark, blood, hooded eyes. Not sure what that is. Brown eyes, mature eyes. So if we click on this best eyeshadow for mature eyes, you can see lots of people are asking and answering this question. Now, 36,000 views, best eyeshadow for mature eyes. 819,000 views from a year ago. But look at this one down here. 17 views, 37 subscribers. So anybody can get views here. But you can see there are hundreds of thousands of views, and there's more people. So best eyeshadow for, if we just delete, we can delete this. Let's do best eyeshadow for brown eyes, for example. I've got brown eyes, I believe, so this could be the best eyeshadow for me. 30,000 views, 15,000 subscribers, 64,000 views, 240,000 subscribers. But look at this one down here, 1.5 thousand views, only 4,000 subscribers, and you can create this content. So if we look at this, now one thing that you have to remember with this inverted pyramid, 3 things will happen at almost every level. Either they're going to come down here and buy, they're going to ask more questions, or they're going to realize that their issue wasn't that big of a deal. So what you're going to do is you are going to add a call to action to all of your content. So if you put together a video, the best eyeshadow for brown eyes, you say, here are the 5 best eyeshadows for brown eyes. You give them a list, and then you say, hey, look, click the link in the description for my #1 recommended eyeshadow for brown eyes. They click the link. It can take them over to a product that, that's created over on Sephora. I don't know, obviously, which eyeshadow would be best for brown eyes, but you get the idea. Another thing that we can do is we can just copy this, Makeup by Mario, and we can paste this over to YouTube. This is going to be a good way to get fast traffic. Look at this, Makeup by Mario. We hit enter here. People are doing reviews about this new product line. The entire product line can get you traffic. Look at this, 12,000 views from 15 hours ago, 3.9 thousand views from a day ago, 5.8 thousand views. Lots of views about people talking about the actual product line. Another thing that we can do, if we go back over to our whiteboard, we can do best X under Y. So X under Y, like this. And so if we come back over here, we can do something like best eyeshadow, whoops, we are unresponsive. Best eyeshadow palettes. Let's do under $100. All right, so we hit enter. And once again, you're going to see here that 182,000 views. The best eyeshadow palettes, under $10. The best drugstore eyeshadow palettes, 30,000 views. Top 10 eyeshadow palettes of all time, 263,000 views. But you can create content here. The best eyeshadow palettes at Sephora, 1,000 views, 8,000 subscribers. This opens up a whole new idea. So we could do the best underscore at Sephora. So we can do something like best underscore at Sephora, HORA, like this. And then now look at this, best skincare at Sephora, best foundation, best sunscreen. Let's look at best sunscreen. So we can click on best sunscreen, and people are asking, because they are fans of Sephora, they're dedicated to Sephora, they're asking about the best types of skincare and sunscreen, all sorts of stuff for Sephora, you create this content. Top 5 Sephora sunscreens, 1.7 thousand views, 9,000 subscribers. And oh, by the way, this is considered a high premium, a high niche, a high CPM niche. And basically what that means for you is people are willing to spend money in this space, okay? And if you create YouTube content, you can make money with the YouTube Partner Program as well. That's outside the scope of this video, but you can see here, the best sunscreen at Sephora, my tried and trues, 4.4 thousand views, 8,000 subscribers. You can be a tiny channel and be successful. If we come back over, let's do best sunscreen under, I don't know if there's any traffic here, but best sunscreen under $20, we'll say. And if we take a look at this, best sunscreen ever, 625,000 views. Doesn't look like people are actually asking about the best sunscreen under $20, but you get the idea. All right, so if we come back over to our whiteboard, the next and largest spot here are who, what, when, where, why, and how. So who, what, when, I think it's like 5 W's and 1 Y, right? And so people are asking questions like, what is the best skincare routine? What's the best skincare for acne and oily skin? Hit enter. Lots of views are here. This is also going to be more competitive because here, these people don't know the solution. They know they have a problem. They know they have acne and oily skin, but they don't know what the solution is. They don't know the solution is the makeup that you help them get over at Sephora. So there's going to be a lot of people asking a very general question. And when they ask general questions, they're going to get answers where they can do one of 3 things. Either they're going to go down and buy your recommendation, they're going to ask better questions this way, or they're going to realize that either they can't afford the solution or the solution isn't that big of a deal anyway. But you can see that this is how you can start getting traffic. What is the best skincare for acne? We could get rid of acne. So what is the best skincare for? Delete this, and you can see what is the best skincare for sensitive skin? And so what you can do is actually do a skincare tutorial and then put links in the description to all of the products that you used. You can also do makeup tutorials. So we could come back over here. Let's grab this thing, transforming skin protector, and we could just put tutorial afterwards. So we're gonna copy this like this. We're gonna paste that right in here, and then we could say tutorial. Hit enter. And there you're going to see there's a lot of people looking for this. Now you can do the exact same thing over on TikTok. In fact, TikTok might work a little bit better because we know that there's a lot of females heavily dominated. So we could say like something like skincare routine for over 40. That's a great niche, great piece of content there. Look at this. 195,000 views, 377,000 views, 6.1 million views with the skincare routine. So you can see there's lots of opportunity. If you don't want to do TikTok, that's fine. You don't want to do YouTube, that's fine. You can do the same thing with Facebook and Instagram. You can do the same thing with forum sites. You can do the same thing with a blog. But you can see that this is how you can get traffic. You first figure out what your target audience wants to know, and you create content to solve that problem. You provide affiliate links to help them solve that solution faster and more efficiently. Now that you know how to make money with the Sephora affiliate program, click the first link in the description for a free training that shows you how you can earn a full-time income without a huge following on social media, without spending a dime on paid ads, or even a large mailing list. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start. Watch this video next because YouTube says it's going to help your online business.